Hello friends, it's Snowy. Today I'm at Uguisdani Station on the Yamanote Line. Today is a special sunny day. Let's go to see a summer festival. Uguisdani Station opened in 11th July 1912 and has 42,000 passengers a day. Uguisdani Station is located one stop from Ueno Station and 7 stops from Ikebukuro Station. Uguisdani literally means Valley of Japanese Bush Warblers. The name Uguisdani derives from the fact that in the middle of the Edo period, the gatekeeper of Kan-Age Temple in Ueno released Japanese bush warblers at this location. A radio show this morning informed me that there is Morning Glory Festival here from today. It attracts a crowd of 400,000 people every year. I cannot imagine how crowded it will be there. Anyway, let's walk over there and see what it looks like. Around 100 stalls line the street. It will be a street food heaven. This is the main venue of the Morning Glory Festival, Shingenji Temple. Shingenji Temple was established in 1659. Look at these beautiful lanterns. These lanterns also serve as advertising for local sponsors. I need a bit of courage to dive in here because there are more people than I thought there would be. But I will do my best. The name Morning Glory comes from the plant's flowering habit. Saucer-shaped blooms open early and just for a day, fading by mid-afternoon in hot weather. There is also a booth for selling goodies. Various Morning Glory goods are on sale. Morning Glory's Japanese word Asagao is written in Japanese as face of morning. The Japanese word also tells its flowering habit. It's interesting, isn't it? Morning glories were widely grown in the late Edo period among lower-class samurais in Okachimachi near Ueno. This was because Iriya was located at the foot of Mount Ueno, where fallen leaves had accumulated and the fertile soil was suitable for morning glory cultivation. As Okachimachi developed and the Edo shogunate collapsed, more than a dozen planters in Iriya began to grow morning glories. These morning glories were so wonderful that they became so famous that a viewing fee was charged. At the height of the boom in 1891 and 1892, there were as many as 1,000 varieties of morning glories. However, the last planter retired in 1913 and morning glories disappeared from Iriya. In 1948, with the help of local volunteers at the Tourist Federation, the Morning Glory Festival was revived. This must have brightened the dark post-war world a little. Morning glories are said to have been introduced to Japan from China over 1,100 years ago. At that time, morning glory seeds were prized as a very valuable herbal medicine and used as a laxative. It was not until the Edo period that morning glories came to be grown as an ornamental plant as they are today. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね